This video will guide you through the installation of the Titan X Series Comfort Grip Handle. This support handle can be installed in both an upper and lower position following the same steps, allowing varied carrying options and added convenience when driving lower and taller posts. Adding a second kit can give you the best of both options. These special engineered Nordlock locking washers are essential as a locking mechanism for your handle and must be positioned correctly on the cap screw before assembly. Each washer has a shallow or close and deep or wide serration side. Ensure that the deeper serrations are face to face with each other, leaving the finer serrations facing the outside ends of the bolt. To begin installation, determine if you'll be positioning the handle on the top or bottom of your driver. This is a personal preference. Then determine if you will install the comfort grip handle towards the side with the engine or in the opposite direction. We find that installing them away from the engine allows for better balance of the driver. Next, remove the caps from the handles on the driver. For installation in the upper position, remove the caps at the top of the driver, and for the lower position, remove the ones at the bottom. The knurled couplers have a shallow and deep opening. Install them on the driver with the more shallow opening toward the driver, making contact with the driver handles. Install both couplers on the driver, and then install the handle so that it fits into these couplers. Now, insert the machine screws with properly installed locking washers into the holes in the comfort grip. Finally, use a supplied Allen wrench to firmly tighten by hand and secure the hardware. If a torque wrench is available, the hardware can be torqued to 60 foot-pounds.